We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what they say about the Meweo Magnetic Fidget Pen, a versatile and innovative writing tool that doubles as a magnetic fidget toy. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The Meweo Magnetic Fidget Pen, specifically the Big Blue variant, stands out as a unique blend of functionality and creativity, designed for teenagers, adults, and anyone who benefits from tactile engagement. This product has quickly gained attention for its ability to serve as both a reliable writing instrument and a stress relief toy, making it a popular choice among students, professionals, and individuals seeking ways to manage anxiety or restlessness. The Meweo Magnetic Fidget Pen is constructed from the latest alloy magnetic materials, ensuring durability and resistance to drops. The coated finish not only enhances its visual appeal with a shiny, polished look, but also contributes to its longevity. The pen writes with black ink, which is smooth and consistent, making it suitable for everyday writing tasks, note-taking, and journaling. Users consistently report that the pen glides effortlessly across paper with no skipping or blotching, which is essential for those who rely on a dependable writing tool in their daily routines. What truly sets the Meweo Magnetic Fidget Pen apart is its multifunctionality. Beyond writing, it serves as a magnetic toy designed to relieve stress and anxiety. The pen can be disassembled and reassembled into various shapes, such as robots, bicycles, and other imaginative forms. This feature appeals to creative minds and those who enjoy hands-on activities. Many reviewers highlight the pen's ability to keep hands busy during meetings, lectures, or periods of concentration, which can be particularly beneficial for individuals with ADHD or those prone to fidgeting. The tactile feedback from the magnetic components provides a satisfying sensory experience, helping to channel nervous energy in a productive way. The pen's versatility extends to its appeal as a gift. It is frequently recommended as a thoughtful present for teenagers, students, and adults alike. The packaging is described as attractive and gift-ready, making it a suitable choice for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. Several users mentioned purchasing multiple pens for family members, friends, or colleagues, noting that the product is well received across different age groups. The feedback from parents is especially positive, with many reporting that their children, ranging from ages 10 to 16, enjoy the pen both as a toy and a writing instrument. The pen's ability to engage imaginative play while serving a practical purpose is a recurring theme in user reviews. In terms of performance, the Meweo Magnetic Fidget Pen excels in both its primary and secondary functions. As a pen, it offers a comfortable grip, balanced weight, and smooth ink flow. The magnetic segments are strong enough to hold their shape during fidgeting, but easy to manipulate for quick transformations. Users appreciate the pen's ability to withstand frequent assembly and disassembly without showing signs of wear or diminished magnetic strength. The product's durability is further reinforced by its resistance to drops, which is particularly important for younger users or those who tend to handle their belongings roughly. One of the most common praises for the Meweo Magnetic Fidget Pen is its value for money. Reviewers consistently mention that the pen offers a high level of entertainment and utility at an affordable price point. The combination of stress relief, creativity, and practical use makes it a worthwhile investment for individuals seeking to enhance focus or simply enjoy a fun, interactive gadget. Many users express a desire to purchase additional pens, either to expand their own collection or to share with others. The pen's popularity as a stocking stuffer or small gift further underscores its broad appeal. Despite its many strengths, the Meweo Magnetic Fidget Pen is not without its drawbacks. Some users note that the magnetic components can be a distraction in certain settings, particularly in classrooms or meetings where noise or movement may be disruptive. Others mention that the pen's size and weight, while comfortable for most, may not suit those with very small hands or preferences for ultralight writing instruments. Additionally, because the pen can be disassembled into small parts, there is a risk of losing pieces, especially when used by younger children. The manufacturer recommends the product for ages 3 and up, but adult supervision may be advisable for the youngest users to prevent accidental swallowing of small components. Another consideration is the pen's ink refillability. While the original ink cartridge provides smooth and consistent writing, some users express a desire for easy access to replacement refills. The product does not explicitly state whether standard ink cartridges can be used, which may be a point of concern for those who plan to use the pen extensively for writing. However, the overall consensus is that the pen's primary appeal lies in its fidget and creative functions, with writing serving as a valuable secondary feature. The Meweo Magnetic Fidget Pen's design is both modern and playful, with a vibrant blue color that stands out on any desk or in a pencil case. The pen's modular construction invites experimentation, allowing users to discover new shapes and configurations. This aspect of the pen encourages imaginative thinking and problem-solving, making it a useful tool for educators, therapists, or anyone interested in hands-on learning. The pen's ability to engage both the mind and the hands is frequently cited as a key benefit, particularly for individuals who struggle with focus or need an outlet for nervous energy. From a practical standpoint, the pen's portability is another advantage. Its compact dimensions and lightweight design make it easy to carry in a pocket, bag, or backpack. Users appreciate the convenience of having a stress relief tool and writing instrument in one compact package. The pen's sturdy construction ensures that it can withstand the rigors of daily use, whether at school, work, or home. The product's country of origin is China, and it is manufactured by Meweo, a brand that has established a reputation for quality and innovation in the field of magnetic toys and gadgets. Customer reviews consistently rate the Meweo Magnetic Fidget Pen highly, with an average rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars based on 17 ratings. Users praise the pen's quality, versatility, and entertainment value, often describing it as a great gift or must-have gadget. The pen ranks hash 83,634 in toys and games and hash 325 in magnet toys, reflecting its growing popularity among consumers. The positive feedback from a diverse range of users, including teenagers, adults, and parents, speaks to the product's universal appeal. In summary, the Meweo Magnetic Fidget Pen is a standout product that successfully combines the functionality of a writing instrument with the engaging qualities of a magnetic fidget toy. Its durable construction, smooth writing performance, and creative potential make it an excellent choice for individuals seeking stress relief, improved focus, or simply a fun and interactive gadget. The pen's appeal as a gift is reinforced by its attractive design and broad age range, making it suitable for students, professionals, and anyone who enjoys hands-on activities. While there are minor drawbacks, such as the potential for distraction or loss of small parts, the overall user experience is overwhelmingly positive. If you are looking for a unique and practical gift, a tool to enhance focus, or a way to channel nervous energy, the Meweo Magnetic Fidget Pen is highly recommended. Its blend of creativity, functionality, and durability sets it apart from other fidget toys and writing instruments on the market. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. If you have experience with the Meweo Magnetic Fidget Pen, please share your thoughts in the comments to assist others in making an informed choice. Your feedback is invaluable in helping the community discover the best gadgets and tools available today.